Assalamu alaikum. So hi guys, it's me Waseem. You are watching Something Techy. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you guys that how to deal with copyright claim if you receive on your video. So basically guys, in morning I received an email from YouTube saying that a copyright claim was created for content. This is the video, this is the title of the video on which I received copyright claim. So basically what happened, someone claimed that a part of the content in that video can be music or anything is being used and they own it. So basically I used a sound for background and was landscape music, and it's claimed by Repost Network. So what happened, basically my video is live, everyone can see, but obviously it's being monetized by the copyright owner. So all the revenue from this video which is gonna be generated will go to the copyright owner. So what we can do in this situation, let's check it out. So simply what you have to do is open your YouTube Creator Studio, and here you can see as well important notification, video received and copyright claim. So guys, let's locate and see which video has received copyright claim. So basically all the videos you can see that the monetization green dollar is enabled for every single video. But yes guys, this video, which is the obviously short of 58 seconds, so guys, this video has received copyright claim because they are saying some part of this video can be music I have used, and that's why now the copyright owner is gonna get the revenue from this video. So it says ineligible. You can see that it's not a green dollar, it's a red dollar, mean I can't make any money from this video. So what can I do? I'll click and go back to the dashboard, and simply guys, where you received an important notification, and here it says, simply what you have to do is simply click here, view the options, because obviously when you will come to the dashboard you will see an important notification that your video received a copyright claim. So simply here click here, view options, and let's just wait. So obviously it will open the studio where you can add it and see what part they said that they claim. Okay, so guys, they said that I have used them song called landscape, so they have claimed, and they said that from the part from 15 seconds to 58 seconds, so this is the part they said that content found during this duration of the video, and now because of this I can't make any video. So how we can fix is this. Number one, obviously it's a copyright content claim, so basically my channel is not effective because obviously it's not a copyright strike, because that's a totally different thing. So guys, what I can do is simply let this video be how it is, but I will not make any kind of revenue from this video, or simply I can replace the audio in this video, and then I will be able to make the revenue. So what I can do is simply click on this action side, select action, and after that what you can see is that either you can trim out this segment so the video will become short, obviously they will cut this part, or you can replace the song, it says, or you can mute the song as well. It's totally up to you. So if you want to replace, simply you click on the replace song, and after that simply you can choose the audio from YouTube audio library, and you can use the music. So simply here are the different kind of musics which you can use, and it will replace the part from 15 second to 58 second, which is the copyright claimed by someone. So simply click here, you can see the different type of songs, and you can use any song which one you want. Okay, so any song, let's just say any song, doesn't matter. For example, I'm going to use this one, heal you. Click on add, and after that it says, look, can you see that this song heal you has been added exactly to the same duration where this claim content is here, so it will replace this audio. So simply once you are done selecting your song, which one would you like to choose, simply click on save, and it will replace that part you can see that ready to replace the song. It's saying this is gonna happen, and after that simply click on save, and it will guys replace that claimed content from 15 seconds to 58 seconds, and I will start making money again from this video. So simply what I have to do is simply wait, because obviously they are, I can say YouTube system takes some time. Obviously it's like they are re-editing this video. So simply if I go here, you can see that it says processing, so I have to wait a little bit. So once it's done, I'll come back and I'll show you guys that what it happens. You can see that even the restriction, it says checking one found, and once the processing is done, I'll be able to see again a green dollar here of monetization, and I will start earning money again from this video. So let's just wait a little bit. So guys, it's been a few minutes, I guess 5 to 10 minutes, something like this, and I'm back again to my Creator Studio. And simply guys, if I click now on this, that claim which we received, and if I click now on view options, simply guys, you can see that it says not affected, publicly visible, and monetization is on. That green dollar came back. So simply I'll go to my content again, and I'll show you guys that green dollar of monetization is enabled again. So simply guys, you can see the video on which we received copyright claim for the music which was being used in that video. Once we replaced it with any other music from YouTube audio library, we got our monetization back. And now guys, all the revenue which will be from this video, I will simply get. So this is guys how you can fix any issue with your video. If you get any copyright claim that you are using the music from us, simply what you have to do is you have 3 options. Number 1 is you can cut that part. Number 2, you can replace the audio with any YouTube audio library music. Or number 3 is simply you can let it be how it is, because obviously in copyright claim your channel is not affected at all, because it's not a copyright strike. But obviously all the ad revenue from that video will go to copyright owner. So simply this is guys how you can fix an issue with the in this condition. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in any next video. Till then, bye bye guys, and take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.